In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Instagram size video in CapCut PC. If you need to turn widescreen footage into the right format for Instagram, whether that's a vertical video for Reels and Stories or a square post for the feed, CapCut PC makes it very quick. The main goal here is to change your canvas size first and then adjust your clip so it fills the frame nicely without those distracting black empty spaces around it. To get started, look at the center of your screen where the preview player shows your video playback. Bring your mouse down to the bottom edge of that preview window. Just to the left of the full screen arrows, you'll see a rectangular button labeled Ratio. Click that once and it will open the Canvas Dimension menu. This is where you choose the layout that matches the type of Instagram post you want to create. If you're making a vertical video for an Instagram Reel or Story, select the 9:16 option from the list. That's the standard vertical format most people use for full-screen mobile viewing. If instead you're preparing a classic square video for the Instagram feed, choose the 1:1 option. As soon as you click your preferred setting, CapCut will instantly reshape the black editing canvas to match that format. This helps you immediately see how your video will appear once exported. After changing the canvas ratio, you may notice that your original footage doesn't fully fit the new frame. That usually happens when a widescreen clip is placed into a vertical or square layout. To fix that, go down to your timeline and click once on the video clip so it becomes highlighted. Then move to the top right settings panel, open the video section, and stay under the basic tab. Now find the scale control. Click and drag the scale slider to the right to zoom in on your footage. Keep adjusting it until your image fills the new Instagram frame properly. This is an important finishing step because it removes the empty black borders and makes the video look much cleaner and more professional. As you scale, keep an eye on the preview window so you can make sure the most important part of your shot stays centered and visible. And that's it. You've used the preview window, opened the ratio menu, selected either 9:16 or 1:1 for Instagram, and then adjusted the scale in the video basics settings to make everything fit perfectly. Your Instagram-sized video is now ready to go in CapCut PC.